Thinking about opening a Fidelity cash management account in 2025? Before we jump in, watch this quick honest review so you know exactly what you're getting to. I'm Zane and let's break down the pros, cons, and whether it's the right fit for you, all in under 4 minutes. What is it? The Fidelity Cash Management Account is technically a brokerage account with banking features like a debit card, mobile check deposit, bill pay, and FDIC insurance, all without monthly fees or minimum balances. Pros. When talking about the pros, let's start with the first advantage, which is no monthly fees or minimums. You do not have to pay to keep the account open, and there is no minimum balance to worry about. FDIC insurance up to 5 million. Thanks to Fidelity's program bank sweep system, your funds are insured up to 5 million, way more than the standard $250,000. Free ATM access nationwide. Use any ATM and Fidelity reimburses you for all ATM fees. That's rare and super convenient. Great digital tools. Fidelity's app and desktop platform are robust, easy to navigate and manage your money. Plus, you can invest directly from the same platform if you ever want to. Cons. Because you all know nothing is perfect, it has some cons. And number one, low interest rate. As of 2025, the interest rate is still very low, typically under 0.5%. If you are looking to earn serious yield, high yield savings accounts or money market funds will do better, not a real bank. This is con number two. Since it is not a bank, some features like wire transfers or just account setups can be a bit clunky compared to traditional banks. No cash deposits. You cannot deposit cash directly. No branches. No ATMs that take cash. That might be a deal breaker for some, so keep that in mind. Who is it for? Now, this account is perfect for people who want a no-fee, all-digital experience, to people who do not want to deal with physical cash, and if you want easy integration with their Fidelity investments, and this account is also good for people who value ATM fee reimbursements and FDIC protection. But if you rely on bank branches or want higher interest, it might not be ideal. Overall, the Fidelity Cash Management Account is a solid choice in 2025 for everyday spending and saving, especially if you already use Fidelity or want to avoid banking fees. Just do not expect high yields. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.